I honestly want to stab you in the throat right now. I couldn't think of a more satisfying way to end this corpse of a day. Just the thought of the blood trickling from the gap in your neck makes me quiver. But you know what? I'm not going to do that because I have a little something called self-control.
Well, that's good to know.
Isn't it?
The white-hooded falcon. Adult males have a white coloured crest which makes them more distinguishable from the females.
Determined hunters, they pursue their prey until they're caught. Some even hunt their prey for days. Studies speculate whether the white-hooded falcon does this as an almost sports-like act.
That's quite brutal. Let's hope humans aren't their prey, eh?
Having no luck finding any. Damn things must be scared.
Could they be further down?
Wait. North. 35 degrees east, found most frequently from early morning till dusk. Wait. I knew it. 40 degrees off. No wonder we couldn't find anything.
I heard that these birds even hunt their weaker kin. Sounds a little ghastly, right?
No, that's ridiculous.
I read it in a book.
What book? A miscellaneous book? Why are you always so vague?
Remember the quote though.
Speak it.
The white-hooded falcon is a beast known for its extreme predatory behaviour. Restless hunters, they dispatch their prey with extreme efficiency. In some cases, they have been known to hunt their weaker kin.
There, you see?
Liar. Do you remember half an hour ago when you were spouting out the usual shite that comes out of your mouth instead of actually helping me find this feathered shit of an animal?
Not really.
I'm done. You got the car keys at least? Any more fun facts I should know before we go?
Well, apparently 17 people went missing round here last year.